Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact cable and connector type, TRS, TS, XLR, RCA, or 3. 5 mm, because matching matters for signal and grounding. Once identified, power off gear and ground yourself by touching the chassis. This prevents pops and damage. Now strip about 5 to 7 mm of insulation carefully. Make sure you expose the conductor and shield without nicking wires, and twist the stranded conductor so it's compact. Do this precisely. It saves time when you solder or insert into terminals. You next prepare the conductors for a reliable joint. Tin stranded wires with a small soldering iron to coat strands. This prevents fraying and eases insertion. Then connect following polarity, hot or positive to the tip or pin, cold or negative to ring or return, and shield to ground. Colors help here, so verify rather than guess. Once seated, tighten any terminal screws evenly or crimp securely, and apply strain relief or heat shrink tubing so movement won't stress the connection. This reduces noise and intermittent faults. You finish by powering the system and testing. Inject a signal or use a multimeter to confirm continuity and correct polarity, then listen at normal levels for hum, crackle, or dropouts. If you hear noise, make sure the cable is routed away from power cables and transformers. Shielding matters. Should problems persist, recheck each soldered joint and terminal. Cold joints look dull and may need reheating and more solder, or replace any nicked conductor. This approach ensures a durable, low-noise connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.